Well, I got the head off. Looks like hell in here. Let's look. Let's take this seal off. Let me see. Watch this. Oh shoot! Look at this. I never ever taken a seal off before. This is the culprit. Look at this. You see this? Yep. This is that's weird. I guess they're all metal with paper between it. But I'm not likely to go through all this crap. Probably end up with an engine that needs to be rebuilt. But don't got a budget for that one. Look at it. Here's all the water. Look at all this. It's been soaking for I want to say months. I don't know. I'm skeptical. Anybody out there in internet land? If you're in internet land, and look at what I did here. That was a bad one. The hydraulic tensioner, I didn't properly pin it. I was supposed to remove the engine mount. I kind of just was lazy because this car has been taking up a lot of time and I don't have a budget to do any of the repairs. So I don't know where a paper towel is to clean this out. Yep, that's the bad cylinder. It was running on 3 cylinders just so I could get home. So anyways, I'll put that there for now. Wow, how does this go on? Oh wait. Oh, there is a little bit of a look at, there's a guide here. No steam, just punk. Anyways, let's look at the head. The head is really revealing too. And I need someone to inspect it because check this out. Look at these. Dirty. Oh wait, that was, no. If it was that's cylinder 2. I've been having a lot of cylinder 2 default, but look at all the crust on this sucker. Look at these. I wonder if these tell a story that I just don't know how to translate. And then see, there's some gap. I wonder if there's supposed to be gap right here, or if these actually are bent valves. Not bent enough not to run, I guess, because this was running really good until the head gasket took a crap. But this is this, and let me show you something, because I made a mistake last year during the summer. I made a mistake, but I guess maybe my mistakes sometimes work out. Here we go. This is the Wolfsburg. They call it Wolfsburg, but it wasn't even made in Wolfsburg. It was made in that one place. Oh, I gotta be nosy. Check this out. It's a motorcycle group doing tricks. They're gonna crash. They're gonna. Okay, back to the regular scheduled program. Just had to get footage of that because they're so cool doing tricks and all that stuff. Hope you know I'm being sarcastic. Oh, I'm grilled teriyaki. There's something in that cup that's not soda pop. Something very special. But anyways, like I was saying, I'm just gonna swap out engines. Swap out engines, get it started, and carry on the wayward son. There will be peace when you are done. Oh, I learned something else that's kind of interesting. VIN numbers. Here's the VIN number. You could decode a VIN number if you know how. 3VWP. 3 is the, I don't know, look it up. Just decoding a VIN number.